At Toro Striping, we specialize in applying durable plastic materials to roadways and parking lots, creating traffic markings that stand the test of time and weather the storm of heavy traffic with ease. But what exactly is thermoplastic striping service, and how does it work? Thermoplastic striping involves the application of robust plastic material to asphalt surfaces, forming highly visible and long-lasting traffic markings. The process begins with meticulous surface preparation, where our expert team thoroughly cleans the area to remove debris, dust, and moisture, ensuring optimal adhesion of the thermoplastic material. Using state-of-the-art equipment, we then heat the thermoplastic to the ideal temperature until it melts to the perfect consistency for application. With precision and care, our advanced striping machines apply the molten thermoplastic in smooth, even lines, creating crisp and clear road markings that enhance safety and navigation on your property. But we don't stop there. To further improve visibility, especially in dark conditions, we embed high-quality glass beads into the still hot thermoplastic, making the stripes reflect light back to drivers and pedestrians, enhancing safety and reducing the risk of accidents. As the thermoplastic quickly cools and hardens, it forms durable, long-lasting road markings capable of withstanding heavy traffic and extreme weather conditions. But what sets us apart from the rest? It's our unwavering commitment to excellence, our dedication to quality workmanship, and our passion for customer satisfaction. From Phoenix to Palm Springs, Corona to San Diego, we proudly serve communities across Southern California and Arizona, providing top-tier thermoplastic striping services that enhance safety, visibility, and order on their properties. Contact us today to schedule a consultation and discover how our thermoplastic striping service can make a difference for your asphalt surfaces.